After filling up the whole bed with moss, the rocks and driftwood were placed first. This awesome driftwood was found along the beach, while the rocks are from a friend's backyard. Shout out to Benoza family. The moss were watered too to keep them moist. Constant moisture is needed for these moss to keep them green and alive. Rainwater is best recommended. Then the accents and the kokedamas. These kokedamas blended well with the moss. They are now easily maintained and kept moist. This meditating statue of frogs were placed in the center as the focal point of this arrangement. This was a great find in home goods store. Disclaimer, not sponsored. Hahaha. A bench with angel, bonsai plant in a beautiful reddish pot was added as a backdrop. There you go, the mini moss garden was completed. It took more than 2 days for Collis Kane to complete her mini moss garden. If you liked this video, please give Collis Kane a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll watch and support the next video. Bye for now.